The coronavirus pandemic has struck India hard. The crumbling healthcare system and vaccine shortage don't make the situation any better. While vaccines are the only reliable weapon against this menacing disease, citizens have been struggling to get themselves vaccinated with crashing servers, shortage of doses, and black market dealings. For the demo of vaccine, we have deployed the smart contracts on Alpha Horus and Ropsten networks. On the landing page, we can see a respective page for all kinds of users. Let's start with the manufacturers. At the bottom, users have the option to connect to a network of their choice, Celo or Ethereum. Connecting to Ethereum opens up Portus, which is an easy way to connect to the blockchain. Manufacturers have the option to create their profile by specifying their produced vaccine, cost per dose, and their GST number. After a profile has been created, they can see their stock and add to their inventory using a simple form. Changing to a different account, hospitals can register for vaccination by entering their registration number, vaccine, and cost for the public. This request is then sent to the admin. Here on the admin portal, we can see the requests along with all the other statistics. After the request is approved, hospitals can place order for vaccines from the manufacturer. And as we can see, the associated funds are automatically transferred. Members of the public can register for the vaccination and apply for an appointment in a hospital of their choice, and can also choose from various vaccines. Cost of the vaccination again is automatically transferred. Switching back to the healthcare provider, they can approve and vaccinate the appointment, updating the citizen's dose count and automatically deducting one from their stock of vaccines. Such a network allows for a complete transparency in the vaccination process and prevents over or understocking, black market dealings, and handles all the transactions in a very secure manner. A blockchain-based vaccination portal can actually be a solution to many problems that the healthcare system is facing as of now.